Here we've got DOOGEE S86 Pro, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this phone. So first of all, reach settings, then find and select accounts right here, and as you can see we are logged in with Google account. To remove it, just mark on this account and then tap on remove. Click on remove account, provide your lock screen password or fingerprint, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Then to add your account, you also need to enter accounts, then click on add account. Obviously make sure to be connected to your Wi-Fi because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your account. Pick Google, and now provide email or phone number, and click on next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. Click on next again. I agree to agree with all the terms and conditions presented above. Accept again. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.